don't have wax and I want to really have those Instagram brow like eyebrows, you know, the ones that look really natural and the hair is standing, and I don't have anything to hold the hair, so I'm gonna try using my styling gel to do that. And the styling gel that I have is the soft and free one, and I've put it right here, and I'm going to use that on my eyebrows. So first I'm going to brush them upwards like that, and you know, just apply a bit of gel, and let's see how this turns out. I'm gonna brush them upwards. Yeah, and I already can see that it's holding in. I'm gonna put some gel on the brush and just, you know, brush like that. You have to wait for the gel to dry down. Like for this eye, it has already dried, and I've used my razor to trim off the excess brow hairs, and I'm going to do the same for this other eye immediately the gel dries down. So now that I've brushed the hairs upwards, it's so easy for me to identify the areas where there is excess growth, like here. That's about the amount I wanted to black, because I don't like my eyebrows to be so big. So now that the gel is dry, I'm just going to fill the eyebrow. I'm using my Davis number 3 eyebrow pencil as usual. And you have to make sure that your eyebrow is sharp enough. Eyebrow pencil is sharp enough. Yes. So start by lining very gently. So at the top part, I will start the same level as the down line, but further away from the beginning of the eyebrow. And this is the part where there is an arc, so I just have to create the arc like that. And you have to make sure that this top line at the bottom one meet and end up in a very sharp end. So that's what I want to do right now. You have to make sure they meet like that, and they end up sharply. So the next thing is just filling in, mimicking my brow hairs gently. Yeah. So I'm satisfied with the filling. I'm going to take the spoon brush again and just brush upwards. Brush into the eyebrows to make everything seamless, well blended out. Angled brush for applying the concealer, and a blending brush. And the concealer I'm going to use is Maybelline Fit Me number 45. I love starting off at this point because I don't want so much concealer at the front part. So you're just cleaning the bottom line that you had created to make sure it's, you know, sharp. We blend the concealer downwards like this. If you don't have concealer, you can use foundation. So for the upper part, I love extending the concealer like that. Help me achieve a natural ombre effect at the front part. Blend out the concealer like that, and to blend further I'll take my blending brush. Back to my spoolie and brush the front part. Have a brow perfected. So I'm going to do the other one and I'll be back. So that's it with the eyebrows. I really loved the gel thing, the styling gel hack. As you can see, the brow hairs are firmly held and everything looks amazing.